Hello friends, in this lecture we shall discuss FCNRB accounts, that is foreign currency non-resident bank accounts. This account can be opened either by NRIs or PIOs, non-resident Indians and persons of Indian origin. They can open this account. The account can be a single name account or this can be a joint account also. But if joint account is to be opened with close resident relative, it should be former survivor account only. So single name account can be opened, joint account can also be opened, but joint account with resident relative must be former survivor account only. So joint account with NRI or with PIO, it can be opened, but with close resident relative, it should be former survivor account. Type of account, only fixed deposit. Minimum period should be 1 year and maximum period 5 years. Only fixed deposit accounts can be opened. Account can be opened in any convertible currency. Previously, account was permitted to be opened for selected currencies, but it can be opened in any convertible currency. As regards rate of interest, ceiling interest rate is fixed by Reserve Bank of India. RBI has put a cap, a ceiling on interest rate on FCNRB accounts, and presently this ceiling is LIBOR plus 2% for 1 year to less than 3 year deposit and LIBOR plus 3 years for 3 years to 5 year deposit. When period of deposit is 1 year to less than 3 years, then rate of interest is LIBOR plus 200 basis points, that is 2%. For 3 to 5 years deposit, the rate of interest is LIBOR plus 300 basis points, that is 3%. If deposit is cancelled before 1 year, no interest shall be paid. So minimum period is 1 year, but if it is cancelled before 1 year, then no interest shall be paid. If deposit period is just 1 year, then interest shall be paid, but it will not be a compounded interest. So no compounding of interest if deposit period is only 1 year. When deposit period is above 1 year, then compounding will be permitted, but compounding periodicity will be 180 days. So cancellation before 1 year, no interest. 1 year deposit, compounding will not be permitted, but interest shall be paid. Above 1 year, compounding will be done, but it will be on 180 days basis. Overdue FD can be renewed from back date, but within 14 days from date of maturity. Now loan, rupee loan or foreign currency loan. These can be given to depositor or third party, but up to what extent? So up to full value of FD minus appropriate margin. So what we do in case of domestic deposit, that can be permitted in this case also. Foreign currency loan can be given outside India also. For this deposit, foreign currency risk is to be borne by the bank. If there is fluctuation in foreign currency rate, the profit or loss, that will be to the bank. So foreign currency risk in this account is to be borne by bank. Remittance, so interest amount or principal amount that is fully repatriable. So there is no restriction, entire amount can be remitted outside. tax. Interest is not taxable, hence TDS is also not applicable. So foreign currency risk of bank, there is no restriction on amount to be remitted outside the country. Interest amount can be sent, principal amount can be sent. Then as regard interest taxation, so interest is not taxable, it is exempted from income tax. Hence there is no TDS also. If a customer makes a request to send maturity proceeds in third party names, so that can be accepted. So proceeds of maturity can be sent in third party names also on request from the customer. Conversion of FCNR to NRE to be treated as premature withdrawal. So if FCNR is converted into NRE account, then it will be treated as premature withdrawal because conversion of currency is involved. Additional interest cannot be paid to specified categories like staff members. So no additional interest to specified categories. After FCNR, now let us cover NRERA account, non-resident external rupee account. This account can also be opened by NRI or PIO. Non-resident Indian or person of Indian origin can open this account. It can be single name account or joint account with other NRI or PIO. If joint account is to be opened with resident relative, then it must be only former survivor account. So no restriction on joint account with NRI or PIO, but with resident relative it can be opened as joint former survivor. Type of account can be saving bank or current account or FD, and FD period is at discretion of the bank, but minimum period is 1 year. FD minimum period is 1